So just a few more leadership theories to go, and in this section on leadership and innovation, we'll explore entrepreneurial leadership. So leadership theories have progressed to develop theory that focuses on leadership, effectiveness and innovation. In this next section, we will explore several theories that provide approaches to leadership and innovation. The first is entrepreneurial leadership. Gupta et al. 2004 argue that leaders who share characteristics with entrepreneurs, for example, measured risk-taking and creativity, are more likely to create innovation in the workplace. They identified 5 roles that an entrepreneurial leader should take to lead innovation. Framing the challenge enables employees to identify a need for change, but also shows them that the change they can make is realistic and achievable. Without this, Gupta et al. Suggest that employees will lose motivation and think, well, what's the point? Absorbing certainty is a form of protecting employees who have begun the journey of innovation. The leader is publicly confident and optimistic about the team's chances of success, thus shouldering any doubt that the employees might have. Path clearing means the leader can anticipate and address any doubts, challenges of issues that the employees might have, as well as creating the context necessary for the innovation to succeed. For example, obtaining senior management support or identifying and managing external barriers such as a lack of resource. Building commitment and specifying limits are 2 roles that the leaders use to create a committed team that is safe in the knowledge of the boundaries to which they are working to. So moving on to values leadership. Values leadership is based on appealing to the values of their employees and using confidence and a passionate plea to gain their commitment to join the leader to innovate. This style is very much playing to employees' emotions rather than organisational processes. So on our whistle-stop tour through different leadership theories, we'll now look at generative leadership. This is a relatively new concept in the field of leadership theory. Shuri and Hazy 2006. The theory combines relationship-orientated management with the need for creating organisational systems that are conducive to innovation, for example by setting stability through rules and objectives. This table highlights the environments required for each innovative leadership theory to be effective, and how the leadership style facilitates innovation. It can be seen here how the different perspectives on leadership, charismatic transformational leadership, values-based or team-orientated leadership, entrepreneurial leadership, generative leadership based on complexity, are appropriate for use in different environments. So you can see here that charismatic or transformational leadership is effective in situations of ambiguity, whereas values-based team-orientated leadership is effective in stable environments. Entrepreneurial leadership would be effective in a more turbulent environment, and the generative leadership would be effective where there's a match between a system design and the environment. So some challenges in terms of leadership theory. It can be argued that the effectiveness of any leadership theory is limited by factors beyond the control of the leader. Ryman, 1996, talked about the importance of context. For example, culture. If the team has a preconceived idea of what a leader looks like, it may limit the degree to which you can deviate from this idea. Is the team or the organisation ready for change, or is it used to innovating? If the organisation is too bureaucratic, it may stifle innovation. In terms of motivation, Zahn and Wolf found that the level of commitment displayed by disillusioned public sector staff made innovation and leadership difficult. So you may want to consider the implications of resources. the budget you have, the people who you are working with, and senior management support. You may want to consider the culture of your organisation. Does the team have preconceived ideas of what makes a good leader? Is your organisation bureaucratic? In terms of motivation, is the team you're leading optimistic or are they disillusioned? And are the theories that you're thinking of using to develop as a leader culturally sensitive to your organisation? So some points for you to consider, and you may want to make notes on this in your reflective journal and also on the discussion board. Think about the leadership approach that will be adopted by you in your organisation and a chief executive of a global oil company. Are the leadership styles that you would use and the chief exec of the oil company different? How easy do you think it would be for you as a leader in your organisation and the global oil company chief executive to swap leadership styles? Do you think that their employees would be surprised by the change in leadership style? And to conclude, can you think of any constraints or external factors in your workplace that may limit the effectiveness of your leadership style? What action could you take to adopt an approach where you are able to adapt to these limitations or external factors? So that now we've had a quick overview of some different leadership theories, it's over to you now to undertake some further reading from different leadership books, from different articles in published journals, to explore the leadership theories that may be helpful in helping you to develop as a leader for innovative dementia practice. Thank you.